Fiberglass Bathroom Products Production Workshop, Intelligent Central Feeding System and Water Supply System and Gas Supply System Solutions, Injection Molding Workshop for the bathroom industry. Each machine is equipped with a central magnetic hopper and a visual base to facilitate real-time viewing of the status of raw materials. Some machines are equipped with volumetric doser that automatically add master batch, making it easy to switch product colors at any time. The cooling water pipes adopt a same-way water supply design to ensure consistent flow and pressure of each machine, and the return water can be maintained at zero pressure. Each injection molding machine is equipped with a material pipe, water pipe, and air pipe, which are controlled centrally to ensure efficient and automated production. Due to the presence of nylon and glass fiber in the raw materials, there is significant wear on the pipeline. We have applied nitriding treatment to the pipeline bends and performed special thickening treatment on the material pipe, greatly enhancing its wear resistance and service life. Central Feeding Material Room. It is mainly composed of a central control unit, raw material distribution station, Euro hopper dryer, pulsation dust collector and roots blower, etc. It is also equipped with a backup blower automatic switching system. When the air pump station fails, the system will automatically switch to the backup air pump without manual intervention to ensure the stable operation of the feeding system. The entire feeding system is controlled intelligently and automatically by the central control unit. The raw materials are automatically transported to the Euro hopper dryer and then through the raw material distribution station. The dried raw materials are automatically transported to the machine for injection molding in a one machine one pipe manner, achieving 24-hour continuous feeding operation and greatly improving production efficiency. The central water supply system adopted variable frequency constant temperature and constant pressure design to automatically adjust the water pump frequency, greatly reducing production energy consumption and ensuring consistent cooling water pressure and flow rate for each injection molding machine. In order to ensure the continuity of production, electric butterfly valves are used between water pumps. When the water pump fails, the butterfly valve will automatically switch to the backup water pump without manual intervention, ensuring uninterrupted production.